Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a Sunday and it's been raining cats and dogs here. I've been taking the bike out occasionally and today is the day for its spa. So I'm going to wash the bike and also show you how I do this my way. So prerequisites for the perfect shine is you need a foam lance. More importantly, you need a BOSCH pressure washer or any pressure washer. If you don't have a pressure washer, then you just go for a high pressure garden hose. Secondly, you need a rag cloth which is used to clean all the metal and dirty parts. You need a clean microfiber cloth and you need a clean wiping cloth. So let's begin the process. So what I do first is I rinse the bike first in high pressure water and then I spray foam. So let me take you through. See you in a bit. So if you see now, I am putting on the pressure washer, focusing mainly on the dirt and grime because that is the most important thing that has to be removed initially. There is a bit of air in my hose pipe and that is why the pressure washer is behaving a bit weird. If you can see, a lot of grime is being removed. If you see, the worst affected parts are the underbody and the exhaust. Whatever grime that can be removed with the high pressure, it's better that is removed, because if you use cloth on the dirt, it will cause scratches to your panels, to your paint. These scratches are known as swirl marks. So now the whole bike is rinsed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the foam. So for that I'll have to just switch off the machine and change the lance to a foam lance. So let me do that and get back to you. So now you can see that I have attached the foam lance to it. Let me spray some foam. Today I am not using the 360 mod, I am using the 4K lens, and I don't know how good the footage will be and how stable it will be, because on the 360 mod you don't have to be stable, but while using this I think we have to be very stable holding the camera. So let's see. More or less done with the foam. You can spray foam on the chain, it doesn't matter, because what I do after this is I just get the chain cleaned and lubed outside from a friend. So because I currently don't have any stock of chain cleaner, I am getting it done from a friend. So now that the foaming is done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to soak my microfiber in foam and wipe the body panels of the bike with the same microfiber cloth. And mind you, it is just the body panels that we are wiping. Body panels, the seat, parts which won't get mud easily. There shouldn't be water going in that. Can you see to it that I wipe it somehow? This has to be always covered. This is the port for the trickle charger, and I don't know how it came loose, how it became open. Maybe because of the high pressure washer. So I'm almost done with wiping the panels with the foam soaked cloth. Now I'll be doing the metal parts, but before that let me soak the cloth with foam so that I can do the metal parts and the rims easily. This is like dirty, the exhaust is filthy dirty. I won't be doing the headers again because it's monsoon and they are bound to get dirty, so nothing can be done about it. But I think I'll keep the camera down now and you can see the whole process. I don't know if you are able to see it because let me just go check the angle. Oh yes, you can. Look at this. Remember how it was. So yeah, as I was telling you, whenever you loop the chain, a lot of the chain loop flies onto your body panels. That is because of the excess loop that is present on the chain. So you shouldn't overload your chain ever. It's also not good for your O-rings. Too much loop. I've also seen some people use kerosene and diesel and WD-40 to clean the chain. You should never do that. It is not good. They are meant for different applications, and WD-40 will screw up to the O-rings of your chain. If you don't know what an O-ring is, just Google it. Now I'm just going to change the lance, put the high pressure lance on it, and let's go ahead with the wash. Just giving the microfiber a quick spray so that more or less some of the dirt is removed. You got to be careful when you're spraying on the decals on the graphics that come with the bike, because this high pressure spray can rip them off. Dead bugs are appearing. So now that it is done, this is how it is. Yeah, there is a bit of grime, see? I'll get that removed in a spray right away. But overall, nothing like a clean, shining bike. So let's go to the next process, that is picking up the drying cloth, putting it out, and just dry everything. This cloth has good properties of absorption, so it dries up your panels pretty soon. So if any one of you will want to buy these, just look up on Amazon, search for microfiber cloth and drying cloth. Easy to find. This one I think is of a brand called SPUN. You can see it here. I'm not associated with them in any way, but it's serving my purpose. It's economical, so I'm using it. Okay, my GoPro mount. Always wipe your mirrors clean, because any water left on it can stain the mirror, and a stained mirror is a pain to look at. I am sweating even though it is cold outside. There have been continuous drizzles around the area, but I sweat a lot, and when with such task I am sweating right now. But then that doesn't matter, so चलते हैं. So this was a quick washing tutorial of how I wash my bike. Not many people prefer to do it this way. Everyone has their own ways to do it, but this was mine. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Support me, guys. A small subscribe and a share will help me a lot in the long way. Thank you, and see you soon on another epic journey or another epic ride, hopefully in the coming week. Bye bye, and have a great day. Also, COVID is still not gone, so don't forget to wear a mask and maintain your social distance with others. Stay safe, ride hard. See you. Bye bye.